The whole world suffers from this coronavirus for too long. A lot of business closed down. Traveling and tourism stops. Hospitals are overwhelmed, and extra precautions is a must. Now, as we have the vaccines, a new hope was given to us. Today, I will share my experience on how I was vaccinated. First, I registered online on different vaccination sites here in our province and on other cities. San Juan City was the first to respond. I'm already here at 8:27 a.m., but they will open at 9. After registration, we have to fill in this informed consent for AstraZeneca vaccine. They also gave us a written explanation on what we will feel after vaccination. This is the screening area where they will ask health-related history. Now, I'm just waiting for my turn. I suddenly miss watching movies in the theater. 2 seats apart.
Ma'am, ang manufacturer po ng AstraZeneca, yung sa India ba or sa UK? Ano po? Yung AstraZeneca po. UK. UK po. Okay. AstraZeneca, first dose po tayo. Hindi ko bawal mo na po ang alak na 2 weeks pagka nabakinahan na kayo. Hindi po ako. Normal po, nagalagnatin kayo, trangkaso, within 24 hours. Pero para sa tamo lang po. Biodressic pa, di ba?
After vaccination, we have to stay here in monitoring area for around 15 minutes.
Importante mag-monitor tayo. Iwasan ang paglagay ng tattoo o body piercing pagkatapos mabakunahan ng COVID-19 vaccine. Ayon sa pag-aaral, ito ay posibleng magsanhi ng pag-activate ang ating immune response. Ang sobrang pag-inom ng alak ay nakakapagpababa ng ating immune system. Dahil dito, posibleng mapababa ang pag-inom ng alak ang proteksyon na kaya ibigay ng COVID-19 vaccine sa ating katawan. Iwasan o pagtulog ng ibang uri ng bakuna pagkatapos mabakunahan ng COVID-19 vaccine. Hindi pa sapat ang informasyon tungkol sa drug interactions ng COVID-19 vaccine at ibang uri ng bakuna.
I-text po kayo kung anong oras ay pupunta rito po. Sa likod po, meron pong picture.
After 15 minutes of rest, they ask us how we feel. Take our oxygen level, blood pressure, and body temperature. And that's it. Let's all do our part and offer our prayers to end this COVID-19 pandemic.